This is the solution video for section 9.4, problem number 13. All right, so first thing we need to do is we need to evaluate, right? So I'm going to have 1 to the fourth minus 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 squared plus 5 times 1 minus 2, all divided by 1 to the fourth minus 5 times 1 cubed plus 9 times 1 squared minus 7 times 1 plus 2. All right, so I have 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 minus 2 is 0, of course, over 1 minus 5 negative 4 plus 9 is 5 minus 7 is negative 2 plus 2 is 0, right? So, of course, then that means L'Hopital's rule is going to apply. All right, so now remember, we need to state separately that the limit as x approaches 1 of x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0, right? And the limit as x approaches 1 of x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 9x squared minus 7x plus 2, right? That equals 0. And x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, right? And x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 9x squared minus 7x plus 2 are continuous and differentiable at x equals 1, right? Now, that is a big pain, but yes, you need to say it in a free response setting, right? All right, so then that means we're going to use L'Hopital's rule, right? So we have the limit as x approaches 1 of 4x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. All right, and then all divided by 4x cubed minus 15x squared plus 18x minus 7, right? Then, of course, you need to reevaluate. So you have 4 minus 3 minus 6 plus 5 over 4 minus 15 plus 18 minus 7. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 6 is negative. 5 plus 5, of course, is 0, right? And then 4 minus 15 is negative 11 plus 18 is 7. Minus 7 is, of course, 0, right? And so then, of course, L'Hopital's rule would apply again. Now, yes, technically you would have to restate all of this stuff, but for these new functions, okay? Now, in this scenario, right, yes, you would need to do that in a free response setting. Now, the College Board is not going to give you one where you need to keep restating this over and over, right? But we would have to use L'Hopital's rule again, right? So limit as x approaches 1 of 12x squared minus 6x minus 6 over 12x squared minus 30x plus 18, right? And then, of course, we would reevaluate. So I have 12 minus 6 over 12 minus 30 plus 18, which of course gives us 0 over 0 again. And so then L'Hopital's rule would apply again. So limit as x approaches 1 of 24x minus 6 over 12, no, sorry, 24x minus 30, right? And so now we would reevaluate 24x minus 24 times 1 minus 6 over 24 minus 30, right? So 24 minus 6 gives me 18 over 24 minus 30 is negative 6. And so this is going to give me negative 3. So yes, it is annoying that you have to use L'Hopital's rule 3 times. And yes, even more annoying if you stated all of this, but the answer is negative 3.